Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Show You More, the show that brings you all the latest Asus and ROG products. And of course, today we're back with something really cool, really neat. It says wow the world. I'm here to wow you because it's actually it is a Vivobook, and of course this is the 13-inch Vivobook. It's a Slate, so I would assume it's something like a tablet that we've done before. So let's, without further ado, take a look at the box and find out what's inside. First long slim box is, if I'm not wrong, it is definitely the laptop sleeve. Da-da-da. Because why? Every time you buy an Asus product, they will always have you covered. Pretty nice. Like, if you look deep into it, I think they really put a lot of effort into laptop sleeves. You know, back in the day, it used to be like a generic laptop sleeve, but the first thing that you get out of the box is this nice, kind of like lightweight, feels good. There's a nice little strap at the back with all the logos and these like barcodes, which I think design-wise it looks really cool. And I think if you need like some sort of handle, you got it covered. You could slip it in, you're good to go. I do believe the product's pretty light. So this kind of covers everything, you know, all that you need. So let's go into the next small box. We always keep the best for last. So let's take a look inside. Not exactly sure. I do believe this might be the power adapter. Nope, maybe not. This is actually the Asus Pen, and of course this is the Asus Pen 2.0. Inside the box further, there you go. It is the power adapter. So of course, I do believe that we have covered the power adapters quite often. So this is pretty light, and I think this is actually lighter than the other laptop adapters that we have seen so far. It doesn't even feel like it's more than a couple hundred grams. So I think so far I like this. It's a good design, really light, compact, and this is really the objective of it, is to be light, easy to go and easy to travel around. Alright, so now that we've cleared all the other boxes, let's get into this one. I like the design and the material. It feels like some kind of recyclable material, which I think definitely is the next step of doing such packaging. But of course, let's cover it. It looks like it's nicely protected. Alright, so now that we've taken out this bad boy here, let's see what's below. And it is the it's components to the Slate. So we'll put it together once we have everything out. Let's open this anyway and get into it. And I do believe it is it is the Slate. Wow, it is practically weightless. I don't even feel like it's that heavy. It's like good to go. I like it. So now that we've gotten everything out of the box, let's get into the whole product. So now that we've moved all the boxes away, we are down to the main components of the 13-inch Vivobook Slate OLED screen. Now, of course, we're very excited because now I can hands-on and put it all together. So basically, a lot of these components can snap in together. So let's start with the keyboard. I can easily do this. And close it, and there you go. So this is transformation number 1. So assuming that this part also kind of connects also, let's connect the other part to it, and I'll flip it over. I've seen this somewhere. Cool. So now that we have assembled the entire transformation, let's try different configurations. So let's assume that I am maybe I'm making a call. I'm doing some sort of I would say call with my friend. I kind of want to have landscape. I could flip around, maybe see which one is the flip, the one that has the, I would say, this corner, and set it on top, and like, there you go. Hey bro, how are you? What's up? What are you doing? Hey! So I've got that like first transformation right there. The other one I can do is I could set it up like this, with a screen display like this. I could bring it down lower in case my angle is too high, you know, I'm too tall. So of course I want to bring it down lower. I can do this, and I could be like watching the shows. Ooh, nice. Easily like that. And of course, if not, I can flip it around, bring on the keyboard portion, spin it around. Yep, as simple as that. From this side, and I'm good to go. So honestly speaking, this is one heck of a workstation. Like, these components are all like removable, so in case you want to go just purely with the Slate, alone, pull it all out. It's all magnetic, and that's all you need to go. And it fits nicely into the sleeve. So basically, it's like a workstation on the go. You could have like a pen, and you can just press on it. I think that's pretty cool. So now that we've gone through like roughly all these different kind of configurations that you guys can do, and these kind of accessories that come with the Asus Vivobook, this is the 13-inch OLED Slate. Now let's take a look at the various components of the Slate. So I think right on the top right here where the webcam is the power button, so I can easily turn it on, but we'll turn it on in a while. On this right side, it will be a volume control, which is great, just nice. There is also very good Dolby surround sound, quad sound. And of course, on this side, it primarily is a SD card slot, 2 USB-Cs, and of course, they never forsaken the 3.5 jack. So generally, nowadays, everybody's kind of on USB-C. It's not a bad idea to actually run more items on USB-C. So now let's turn it on and take a look. Alright, so now that we've covered all of the various like movements and the ways you can put it and display it and position it for a user like you, let's talk about the specs. So it is running a 3.3 quad-core CPU, and it also has Wi-Fi 6. So you get fast CPU, you get fast internet speed, and it pretty much helps you to have like good enough robust power on the go. Second of all, you get the screen. So now this screen, of course, is a OLED screen, full HD OLED screen with an aspect ratio of 16:9. Of course, it's a 100% DCI P3 color precise screen with 550 nits of peak brightness. So you're gonna get good colors. Of course, for all you content creators out there, you want to have a screen that has like 1,000,000:1 contrast, and of course, it's a Versa Display HDR. Of course, this is a true black 500 with 1.07 billion colors. So on top of the amazing Vivo Slate, you also have the Asus Pen 2.0. So if you take a look inside from the box, flip it open, and you take a look inside. It comes with a charging cable, which is a USB-C, a manual, and of course the pen itself. So we've got what's inside. Okay, we do see the Asus Pen and 3 tips. So it's cool because the tips actually come in H, HB, and B. So I would assume that the one that you have right now is 2B pencil. So which, like, if you have had a pencil before in the olden days, it's always in these kind of measurements in terms of the tip size. So I think I really like it. Comes with 2 little buttons here. And of course, you also have a clicker button that in case you need to use it as a presentation kit, then you have that going on for you. So I think so far the kit looks great, and the Asus Pen have a lot of functions that will help you to get around the day. Now for those of you on the go, you don't really want to bring any earphones, headsets, or wires. Basically, this comes with a Dolby Atmos surround 4-speaker quad system that lets you have like good audio on the go. It has a front side of a 5-megapixel webcam in front, and of course on the back is a 13-megapixel camera for you to take photos with it. So you have 2 options. One is great for Google calls or Zoom calls, the other one is great for taking photos. And not forgetting this guy right here, the detachable keyboard that comes with of course a very key sensitive and accurate keyboard, and of course the mouse pad right here. Of course, all of it actually is magnetic, so you can easily click it on. And I think generally, if you guys are loving having something that is covers everything, content creator, something that is good to go on like on a trip, this is all you really need. You don't want some bulky laptop anymore. This might be the all-in-one for all you content creators out there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share, and tell us in the comment section below what would you possibly create with the new Asus Vivobook 13 Slate. And of course, there will be more videos coming up in the future, so don't forget to like and share and get your friends excited of upcoming products that will be coming to you soon. So of course, see you guys on the next video.